Hi guys, I am back in the kitchen with oxtail. Yes guys, I will be making oxtail today again. This time I'm going to do it a little bit different, and you guys should keep watching if you want to see exactly what I am doing. Okay, I am back with my oxtail, looking so fresh from my local meat market. So I am just going to remove the extra fat from my meat. Okay, I clean off the fat and I'm just going to rinse my meat with some white vinegar and cold water. Real fast because you don't want to get the red out of your meat. Alright, oxtail nice and clean up, and I'm just going to season that up. So I have my black pepper, oxtail seasoning, some oxtail seasoning again. I like using two different ones. Jerk seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, complete seasoning, then you're going to mix that in, and you're going to add a little bit more seasoning to the next side. Beef bouillon, okay, I have some hot pepper, so I'm just going to wash that and cut that in there. I like a lot of hot pepper in my food. So if you cannot manage to eat, don't put that much in there. Just use one. Then I got some garlic. And some onion. Just chopping up my onion. Some scallion. Wash that and chop that up. And then I'm just going to mix that up. And look how good that look. My God, it smells so good. I'm going to add a little brown into the meat. Give it a nice color. That looks so good. Guys, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, share it with your friends, and please subscribe. That looks so good.
Eventually.
All right, guys, I am back with my oxtail. Yes. Look at that, people. That no look good. Oh my God, don't just tell me say that no look good. I mean, I tell you one thing. It smell good too. Smell real good. So I leave it to marinate for an hour and add. It could have been marinated for longer, but somebody was lazy to season the chicken, the oxtail, all this time. Hear me as a chicken? Lord Jesus. Chicken up on my mind. Hey, because I'm going to be making Italian chicken tomorrow. So that is the reason why you guys want to subscribe. You want to see how I do the Italian Jamaican style chicken tomorrow. My God, that August tastes good. Anyways, my pot hot. Going to add some olive oil. Don't want to add too much because you know this oxtail full of grease. Then you're going to just take up your oxtail and you shake off some of the seasoning. Because you don't want too much seasoning right now. You know? So you shake off some. You know? Do a little olive shake. Make your chicken dance and all. Alright. Then drop that in there. Pick up, shake. Then you just do that, guys. Just some seasoning is gonna get in there, you know. And that is so fine. All right. All right, so we're just going to cover that and let it, you know, catch some color before I do anything else. So I'm going to give that a little minute. Give it some time. All right, people, my oxtail then in my pot, I catch some color. In the time being, remember, you know, guys, I'm telling you one thing. Subscribe to that channel, like I'm telling you, I have the menu, yeah. lamb. I have a whole heap of things that go on. Guess what I'm going to cook, people? Gungo rice and peas with coconut milk. You don't talk to me nice. Talk to me, people. Let me know what I want to talk about. Let me know what I want. Yes, people, I have my gungo. Right. Yes. This I go bad. This I go bad, people. So, I go open my gungo. How me do this is a little different, and that's what I want to show you how me do my gungo. Alright? Open it. And this gungo come in our salt water and it come in our coconut milk. I get the one in the salt water. Right, people? Right. Right. So because it's in a salt water, I'm going to throw it off. And that bean is nice. I'm not telling you no lie. I'm going to rinse off my bean. Yes. Because, you know, it's not just salt water. It has some preservative. I'm going to put that in there. I'll rest that on the stove. And guess what I'm going to show you right now? I'm going to show you in my pot, in my oxtail pot. Right, let me show you what I want. You know, hear that sizzle? That sizzle. See, catch some color, people? Hey. This pot is small, so if you don't have no bigger pressure pot, good for you. Alright, I'm gonna make that sizzle a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you the next step. So I'm back to my gungo peas. Look at my gungo peas, them look good. Right. I'm gonna just add my coconut milk to my gungo peas. I'm gonna season up that now. I'm gonna get my seasoning them together and show you what I talk about. Alright, my oxtails kick up a whole heap of flavor. I'm gonna add water to that. Add some more. Not too much more. And then I will cover that up. And when I say cover, I mean lock it. Alright, I'm gonna lock it and make it cook for 24 minutes. And then let's show now. Alright, I'm going to get the seasoning ready for my gungo rice. So, we have some fresh scallion. Nice and fresh right there. Have another piece. Come on, my rice to be nice, you know. Nice, if you're nice like rice, that's gonna be my rice. Nice. Alright, a little piece of onion. And we have my what do you call this? Thyme. Fresh thyme. Wash that. Put it right there. Onion. Pepper. scallion. And this is how we do scallion for rice. We not cut it up. We not cut up scallion for rice. This is how you do a scallion for rice. You just press it. You just press it and you just do that thing like this. Okay, you just want the flavor in your water. In Jamaica, we have something we use and press it. Right now, we don't have that, yes. So I just rough it out. And there you go. And you're gonna add that just like that to your rice. Onion. I don't put a lot of onion in rice. Just a little bit. Chop it fine. Some hot pepper. Everything hot pepper going on for me. Everything. I'm the spicy one. And as me say, them pepper here don't hot. Just put everything right here. Get my gungo. Look at that, man. That look good. And just put everything in there. Pepper. Add a little bit more water. See that? Add some butter. You know what else I forget to chop and add in there? It's gonna go in the fridge. Garlic. Garlic go good with your rice and bean. No matter what kind of bean, garlic go good. And we also press the garlic, but since I don't have anything to press with, I'm just gonna cut it up. And that's so quick and fast. Me get my rice and bean, water. You know, that's it. That's so quick and fast. That's so quick. I get that ready. Yes, people. A little bit of salt. A little bit. Put that on the stove. I'm gonna add a little salt to it, taste it, make sure it tastes good, and it's done. Let it come to a boil. I'm gonna see what I go on. I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna keep watching. Okay, set my rice aside, and now it's time to check on my oxtail. Okay, that's a little bit hard, but it smells so delicious. Scrumptious. So I'm just going to cover it up and let it cook for another 24 minutes. Okay, my oxtail is cooking for 24 minutes, so I'm just going to turn on the stove on my rice and let that water come to a boil. Okay, water boiling up. So I'm going to add my rice. Getting every grain out in my pot. Then I'm going to use my wooden spoon and just mix that in nice. Then I'm going to cover it up. Okay, mix it in a little bit more. And then I'm going to turn my stove to low heat and just let it cook. Look good. All right, my rice is on low heat cooking. So I'm just going to prepare all my seasoning and spice for my final touch of my oxtail that is cooking for the final 24 minutes in the pot. So as you can see, I have my bell pepper, my red and my green, my carrot, my potato. I have a little piece of pepper. I'm going to put a piece of onion and some garlic in there. So now I'm just going to chop my spices together. I have my little plate, so I'm just going to chop and just pour everything in there. Wash and chop. All right, guys, finished chopping. I have my carrot, my thyme, my peppers, scallion, my Irish, potato, and my onion. And I also did add some garlic to that. And I'm going to dump that all in my oxtail. But before I dump anything in my oxtail, guys, I am going to check on my rice. And as you can see, it's done. Nice and fluffy. Yep. Nice and fluffy, guys. Soft from the looks of it. Need nothing else. Smells so good. So I'm just going to turn off the stove and let that sit. All right, oxtail pressure for a full 45 minutes. So I'm going to just test the meat to see if it's soft. Yep, it's soft, falling off the bone. So I'm going to transfer this from my pressure cooker to my pan and then show you guys what I'm doing. Yes, people, nice and soft. I'm ready for eat, but I'm going to add some kick to it. All right, so let's transfer my oxtail to this pot. Where I am going to add my spices. So I have these seasoning that I use to season the meat, so I'm going to add that to my meat. And I am also going to add the seasoning, the vegetables that I chopped up to my meat also. Put the time aside for last. That's how I like to do it. That looks so good, smells so good. Oh my God. All right, I'm going to just cover that up to cook. Yes, guys, give me a thumbs up and like this video, subscribe. Ooh, yes. All right. This is all done. Looks so good. Oh my God.
Smells good.
Yeah. Ready to eat. You hungry, babe?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we didn't go through mountains like that.
And there you have it, my YouTube family. Enjoy. Look how good that look. I mean, I tell you, it tastes good. Oh my God. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah.